Net new money for the bank came in at $28 billion. Explain to me where it came from, and was there a material inflow from Credit Suisse?
Well, first of all, we were very pleased with the fact that at times of distress in the market, generally the first quarter was very challenging. We still saw clients looking at UBS as a safe haven, and the inflows were coming in from all regions and from different sources. And in that sense, we are very pleased that particularly also after the announcement of the transaction of the acquisition of Credit Suisse, we still saw inflows coming into our bank. So a sign of confidence of our clients.
The chairman guided us at a number of times that the integration would take 3 to 4 years. Is that a low ball and a low bar? Or again, is that a reasonable guidance?
I think it's reasonable guidance. I mean, this is a complex transaction. I think that, but it's also a transaction that will offer a huge opportunity, not only to our shareholders, but also to our clients. The two franchises are extremely complementary and in many areas, and also to our employees. But in order to fully execute a transaction of this complexity, it takes time. And we have to do the things in the right way. We should not hurry into doing things that, and just for the sake of closing the transaction in a couple of years earlier.
Again, what kind of milestone do you have? You've thought about this. You've thought about this deal for many years, you, Axel Weber. What is the milestone in your mind that says, I'm really succeeding in this integration?
Well, for me, is more emotional than numerical. I would say that in 3 to 4 years' time, I like to see the employees of the combined organization, this country, our clients, to be very proud to be associated with the UBS.
There is a lot of social and political angst out there on Bahnhofstrasse and around over the Swiss Universal Bank. Lots of people come and say they're going to have to give up a piece of the Swiss Universal Bank. He's going to have to IPO to appease the people out there. Again, your response to that kind of speculation?
I'm glad you met some of them. I mean, it looks like we have a lot of experts nowadays on how to run banks in Switzerland. So I think that the only thing I can say is that we will take our time to make decisions based on facts and not based on emotions. And I'm sure it's going to be a good transaction.